Unit 4 Landscape Analysis through Maps.
Hello, it's me, Mr. Mustafa. Welcome to my geography class. Today we are going to see layout and numbering of topo sheet from the chapter Landscape Analysis through Map, 10th Standard Geography, Kerala Syllabus, Unit 4.
Layout and numbering of topo sheets or topographic map.
Each topo sheet has a unique number. The number of topo sheet denotes the area which it represents. Look at this topo sheet. This topo sheet has a number, unique number. That unique number can be seen at the top right hand corner.
Look at the number of the topo sheet. The number of this topo sheet is 45D by 10. And this number denotes the area which it represents. The area is what this number 45D by 10 denotes or represents some regions of Gujarat and Rajasthan.
Now let us see how the world is picturized in 2222 sheets.
So the topo sheets for whole world have been prepared in several sheets of same size and shape. The whole world is picturized in 2222. So that total sheet is 2222. In fact, it is the base of preparation of a topo sheet, and in fact that base is the international projection. Now let us see how this total sheet number is obtained. Look at the figure. Here the area between 60 degree north and 60 degrees south. The area between 60 degree north and south is prepared in total sheet of 1800. So there are 1800 sheets are between 60 degree north and 60 degree south. Now let us see the area between 60 degree north and 88 degree north. This area is what prepared by using 210 sheets. Likewise, south also 60 degrees south and 88 degrees south. The area is what picturized in total sheet of 210. So what 1800, then what 210, then 210, 210, 210. Then 88 degree north to 90 degree, that is north pole in a single sheet, and the south pole in a single sheet. When you add up, you will get that 2, 2, 12, 2, then what 2. So that is 2222 the total sheet. So each map in the India and adjoining countries map series is prepared by using the scale of 1:10 lakh. 1:10 lakh. That meaning 1 centimeter on the map represent an area of 10 lakh centimeter on real world.
Here it is the topo sheets from India and adjoining countries map series. And numbers are given. You can see the numbers are starting from northwest direction downwards. You can see here that 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Then next column, that is 42, 43, 44, 45. It goes like that. And you can see here it is what 73, sheet number 73, which are the Indian state that comes under this sheet. And we can see here it is in West Bengal, and here it is what Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha.
Million sheets. Latitudinal and longitudinal extension of million sheet is 4 into 4 degree. Million means 10 lakh. That is, the sheet is prepared by using the scale of 1:10 lakh.
So million sheets are given number. So these numbers are called index number. How the number is assigned to million sheets? you know that number is starting from northwest downwards. You can see here, no, the number of the first sheet is 28, then 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. In this, like this order, million sheets are assigned numbers, and these numbers are called index number. And each million sheet, for example, take this one, 32, sheet 32, and here now 32, and this 32. And each million sheet is covering an area of 4-degree latitudinal longitudinal extension. Take this one 32. Here, you know, latitudinal extension is, you know, that 24, then 28, 4. Here, no, 24, 28. So that 4-degree latitudinal extension. Then longitudinal extension, you know that 74, 78. So 4-degree longitudinal extension. Remember, each million sheet cover an area of 4-degree latitudinal, 4-degree longitudinal extension. And here the scale is 1:10 lakh, so it is called a million sheet, and it is given number like this, and this number is called a index number.
Degree sheets, latitudinal, longitudinal extension of degree sheet is 1:1 degree. This sheet is prepared by using the scale of 1:250,000.
To study minute details of Earth's surface, each million sheet is converted into degree sheet. How that million sheet is converted into degree sheet? Let us see. Take the million sheet number 32. Here it is what 32. And that 32 million sheet is divided into 16 equal part. And we know that here it is what a 74 and 78, 4 degree longitudinal extension. And it is what it divided into 4. 1, 2, 3. We will get 4. So what here it is what 75, 76, 77. Then here we know that here it is 24, and here what 28. And that latitudinal area is also what divided into 4. 1, 2, 3. Then we will get 4 pieces. Then here 24. That meaning here it is 25, 26, 27. And here it is 28. And here the 32 million sheet is divided into degree, 1 degree latitudinal longitudinal extension of 16 sheets. And these sheets are given alphabetic code, and it is like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, up to P. That meaning 16 equal parts. And this sheet, for example, sheet A, it has a 1 degree, and here it is, you know, that 74, 75, 1 degree, 27, 28, 1 degree. So 1 degree latitudinal longitudinal extension. So this alphabetic code A, this area is what a degree sheet. 1 degree latitudinal longitudinal extension. So from the million sheet, degree sheet is prepared. I have told you that a million sheet is prepared by using the scale of 1:10 lakh. And here it is 4×4 degree latitudinal longitudinal extension. And here it is, the degree sheet 1×1 degree latitudinal longitudinal extension. And here 10 lakh divided by 4. So here the scale is 1:2. The scale of a degree sheet is 1:250,000. 2,50,000 is the scale used in the degree sheet. Then to study minute details further, we have to convert that degree sheet into minute sheet. For example, take this one, J.
Minute sheets. The latitudinal and longitudinal extension of this sheet is 15 into 15 minutes. Here, minute is the fraction of a degree. This sheet is prepared by using the scale of 1:50,000.
Now let us see how the degree sheet is converted into minute sheet. Take for example this one, J. J, 1 degree sheet. Its latitudinal longitudinal extension is longitude, you know, that 76 to 77. Latitude 26 to 27. 1 degree latitude, 1 degree longitudinal extension. And here this degree sheet is divided into 16 equal part. How? And we know that 1 degree meaning 60 minute. 1 degree, its a fraction is what? 60 minute. And here it is, you know, that 26, then 15 minute, 30 minute, 45 minute, then 60, it is what? 27. And here it is, you know, 76, 15 minute, 30 minute, 45 minute, 60 minute, then it is what? 76, 77. And here it is, you know, that dividing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So again 16 equal part. And this is called what? Minute sheet, because each sheet here has a 15 minute latitudinal longitudinal extension. And these sheets are given number. How? As old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here the scale is 1:50,000. The scale is 1:50,000. So so it is called what? That minute sheet. In the first topo sheet, we had seen its number as 45D by 10. Now let us see how this number is assigned. This 45 is the number of a million sheet. For example, 31 is the million sheet number. It is called what? The index number. So 45 is the million sheet number or the index number. D is the alphabetic code for degree sheet. This 10 is the number assigned to minute sheet. So 45 million sheet number, that is index number. D is the alphabet code for what? Degree sheet. 10 is the minute sheet number. A few questions are given in your text book, page number 54 and 55. You find out the answer to these questions by observing topo sheet given in page number 53 in your textbook. That's all for today. Thank you for watching me.